Greetings, we are from class KM01 batch 44. In this video, our groups will talk about the difference and similarities between our dream countries and Indonesia. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Chika Rosida and I will talk about New Zealand. So New Zealand has a lot of similarities with Indonesia, but there are some differences between them. The first one, there are wealth and social structure, and in Indonesia, it is something that is important. There are upper, middle, and low class social structure. But for New Zealand, it doesn't matter for them because they saw each other as something similar, like in the same level. The next one, there are punctuality. New Zealand tend to be more punctual, and if they have business calls or business meeting, they tend to have appointment around 1 week earlier, while Indonesia tend to start suddenly, and when it start, it usually start pretty late. So there are no the same punctuality between them. The next one, there are friendliness. New Zealand is more reserved for strangers, while Indonesia is more open and welcoming to strangers and also foreigners. The fourth one is to the point. New Zealand doesn't do small talk, so they like to be more to the point and straightforward, even on meetings. While Indonesia likes to do small talks, and we call it basa-basi. The last one, there are norms and custom. New Zealand have norms and custom based on one tribe only, and it's called the Kiwi. While Indonesia is based on various tribes, and we compiled it into one and we do it together. So some of the Sumatra or Javanese people do the same norms and customs. The next one, we talk about the similarities between New Zealand and Indonesia. Both have a big tolerance in religion and beliefs, even if they have a different religion and beliefs with us. Indonesian and New Zealand have a big tolerance for that. The next one, complex cultural values, is something common both in New Zealand and Indonesia. The next one, in language, Maori, the New Zealand national language, and Indonesian have a lot of similar words in terms of language. And the last one for the similarities is they both have good hospitality towards tourists. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexander Stefanus Panjaya. My dream country is USA. Both Indonesia and USA have a difference and similarities. The difference is the first, in Indonesia most people are not tall, but in USA most people are tall. The second, in Indonesia we eat rice to breakfast, and USA people often eat bread to breakfast. The third, in Indonesia basketball is not very popular, but in USA basketball is very popular, especially American football. The fourth, Indonesia has separate island and province, but in USA there is not many island and province like Indonesia. Both Indonesia and USA have similarities. The first, both Indonesia and USA have a president to lead the country. Second, both Indonesia and USA have similar meaning of motto. The third, both Indonesia and USA are countries in the form of democracy. The fourth and the last is election of the head of state by the people through election based on absolute valid votes. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Insan Mahardika. You can call me Dika, and here I want to tell you all about the difference between my country Indonesia and my dream country South Korea. The difference: Indonesia is an archipelago country, while South Korea is peninsula country. The second, Indonesian currency is rupiah, and South Korean currency is won. Third, here someone is allowed to call someone without mention their position, like Mrs. Sarah, like not Director Sarah. While in South Korea, someone supposed to call someone with mentioning their position, like Secretary Kim, not Mrs. Kim or Bu Kim. Fourth, Indonesia technological progress tends to be weak and slow, while South Korea technological progress tends to be strong and fast. Fifth, there are 6 major religions in Indonesia, and Islam is the most practiced religion, while in South Korea, about more than 50 of their population is atheist or have no religion. 6. Indonesian music popularity is around the country and across ASEAN, while South Korean is around the world. The music popularity is around the world. 17. Indonesia have very little space for pedestrians, while in South Korea more space for pedestrian. Then I'm going to tell you about the similarity between my country Indonesia and my dream country South Korea. First, both Indonesia and South Korea are ASEAN country with strong ASEAN culture. Both are developed country. Both uphold politeness and respectness. Both have a very wide variety of delicious food and unique cultures that are spread across the country. Then both country have a high enthusiasm for doing their job. Then both have a big economic problems. Then the last thing is both are democracies and have anti-communism policy. Now that's all, guys. Thank you for listening to me. Syukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Wildan. My dream country is America or USA. America and Indonesia have differences and similarities. The difference is, first, in Indonesia most people less appreciate the work. In USA, most people appreciate the work, even simple things. Second, in Indonesia, the salary of art workers are low. In USA, art workers have a high salary. Third, in Indonesia, videography technology is still less advanced. In USA, videography technology has advanced. Fourth, in Indonesia, the job opportunities are still few for videographers. In USA, the job opportunities are so many for videographers. Then, both have similarities, such as, first, both Indonesia and USA have presidents to lead the country. Second, both has natural spots, cities, and mountains. Third, both active in cinema and many Indonesian actors have even played in Hollywood films.
Hi, my name is Safira Angelita, but you can call me Vira. Now, I want to tell you about the difference and similarity between my dream country and Indonesia. But for your information, my dream country is South Korea. Okay, the first difference are Indonesian has the belief that a good process without rushing will give much better result. But in South Korea has a fast stroke word rhythm with the best work result. And the second number is there are still many Indonesians who cannot take advantage of the time, so that a lot of work piles up. And in the South Korea have the mindset that they must be respect the time so that the job is done quickly. And the third number, Indonesia has a habit that everything can be discussed carefully so that problems can be resolved without any offending parties. And in Korea, prefer to talk to the point and do not want a lot of small talk while working. And the last of difference, in Indonesia, there are still many who follow time discipline by arriving late and even not coming to work. And in Korea, another work culture that is unique to South Korean is discipline of time, or often called punctual. Okay, the next is similarities between two countries. And the first is both of them have cultures and manners that should not be violated. And the second number, both countries have various types of food and regional specialties. And the next is South Korea and Indonesia both have TV drama series. Wow. And then the last of the similarities is both like to eat instant noodles. Okay, maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.